Summer Camp Sukuma challenged us to engage with campers both in teaching and in coloring, so with this lesson we wanted to cultivate the habit and attitude of turning our hardships into triumphs, scars into stars, darkness into light, and sorrows into joy. The core vision behind Color My World is to motivate us to boldly walk in the fullness of our reason of being, using the puzzle pieces as an empty canvas. This project inspired us because not only were we able to share the concept of individuality, but the fact that we all need to collaborate to make our world a better place. From the beginning to the end, we were able to experience such an amazing concept partnering with our contributors, Vocademy, Office Depot, Summer Camp Sukuma, and GHP in eSwatini. This project really hits home for us. It's so beautiful to see the blank canvas to then experience the youth coloring their world means the world to us.